Hey there, IT enthusiasts and curious minds. Have you ever imagined unlocking endless possibilities by simply asking questions about your data? That's exactly what Azure Cognitive Search is here to help you achieve, turning data into actionable insights with just a few clicks. First off, let's simplify the technical complexity behind Azure Cognitive Search by explaining the core concepts that make it the hero behind every business's search needs. 1. Scalability and performance. Let's say you are running a burgeoning e-commerce platform, and search is the gateway that drives customers to shop your products. Here, Azure Cognitive Search takes the reins by intelligently indexing and querying your entire product catalog, enabling lightning-fast search results across vast collections. Compared to traditional search servers, Azure Cognitive Search scales horizontally, accommodating your growing need without the fear of losing performance, ensuring a swift and seamless user experience. 2. Rich query options. Imagine a world where your customers can pinpoint exactly what they are looking for in your extensive product inventory, be it specific brands, product types, or even color preferences. Azure Cognitive Search does this magic by offering enhanced query capabilities like range filters, regular expressions, and fuzzy searches, which help you retrieve near-perfect results even when the search conditions are complex or dynamic. 3. Search results enrichment. Ever wished to offer your customers a more personalized shopping experience? Azure Cognitive Search, using AI-powered enrichment plugins, transforms basic search results by offering additional fields, entity resolution, and even sentiment analysis. By integrating this search service, your e-commerce website might display products that offer similar features as the one being searched for, significantly increasing customer satisfaction and conversion rates. As of now, Azure Cognitive Search stands out by offering intelligent,